All right, class, it's recess time, and I want to introduce you to our new students. All right, then, there's Up. Boing, boing. He loves to jump up. Yippee! Okay, Up, that's quite enough. And his brother Uni, who loves to ride on his unicycle. And their other brother is and I'm not sure why he is named that. All right then, let's make them all feel welcome. Yeah, hey, that's a cool unicycle. Thanks. How often do you ride it? Oh, every day. I love my unicycle. Yeah, it's got one wheel. That must be hard to balance. Not bad. You just have to practice. Uh-huh. Hey, Up! You want to play a game of tag? Sure, but you want to have a jumping contest first? Alright. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. You jump high. Boy, I'm getting tired. Okay, Up, that's quite enough. You're making me a little nervous. Up was so excited, he got stuck in a tree. Oh boy, I'm getting too old for this job. Oh dear, I don't know what to do. Oh, don't worry, Mrs. Raspberry. I'm so used to my brother getting stuck in trees and telephone poles and you name it. Oh my goodness. I can get him. I'll just ride my bike up the tree. Oh, that doesn't sound very safe at all. No problem. I do it all the time. Here I go. Woohoo! See there? Look, we can do tricks. Hold on, Up. I think I'm going to pass out. All right, boys, you need to stop. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow, that's cool. Yeah, do it again. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right, here we go. Riding up the tree. Woohoo! Wow, that's so cool. Oh my goodness. Where are those boys? And what is that odd noise? I think it's he makes a lot of grunting noises, Mrs. Raspberry. I think I know why they call you Oh my goodness. Boys, you need to come right down from that tree. Here we are. Woohoo! Oh, I don't think I'm going to pass out. I think I'm going to have a nervous breakdown instead. Oh my goodness. Children, we need to go in for recess. Woohoo! Oh, this is so much fun. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, Up, you can stop jumping up. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, Up, that's enough. You don't have to keep jumping. Come on down. Okay, I think you can stop with the crunches. I think it's all ready. Time to go inside. Oh boy, is it ready to go inside. Everybody line up. And we will all go inside. Whoo-wee! And the kids went inside, and Mrs. Raspberry had a lot of rules to go over about playing on the playground. Hello, everybody. It's Ellie, and today we're going over the letter U. Okay, so we have the Squirrel Brothers, which represent the U family. Yay! Okay, our first little squirrel is named Up. Okay, so Up, he liked to jump up. In fact, Mrs. Raspberry couldn't get him to come down. And so we have this letter coded for you. It's got an arrow pointing up. So you know, for up. Uh-huh. And then our second brother is named Uni for unicycle. He likes to ride on his unicycle, which looks very hard. It's only one wheel. Okay, and we have this coded for his shirt. So just remember U for Uni, which is also the name of the letter in the family. U for Uni. Oh, yes. All right, and then our third brother, or our third sound, just remember our story characters. He liked to do crunches. Ooh, ooh, and he was always grunting and making those grunting sounds because, you know, it's a lot of work to do sit-ups. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so his letter is coded with a tennis shoe like his orange shoe. So this one you can just remember it's ooh, and that's the sound he makes because he grunts. Okay, so there's our 3 squirrel brothers. And now we're going to write their sounds. Okay, so getting a cover letter sheet. My assistant is. Thank you, my assistant. You are so kind. All right, then. And you can see this is a little U, and it only takes up 1 space, not the top space. Oh, no. And nothing in the grass. Okay, so here we go. Let's get a wipeable marker. So you're going to start at the cherry. You're going to make a smile and then come down. All right, here we go. Yes, very nice. And that one has the little arrow, so we can say, ah. Start the cherry. And that one has Uni's stripe, so this is U for Uni. And then one more over here. Smile and down. This one has a little shoe, so that's ugh. Okay, and then there's a whole nother row. Start the cherry. Ah. Okay, start the cherry. U. And one more. Ugh. Okay, very good. Then we flip it over for the big U. All right, we start the cherry. Takes up 2 spaces. Big smile. And it has the arrow, so that's a reminder. It says, Okay, this has Uni's shirt on it, so it's got the stripe, so that's U for Uni. And that's, because you can see the shoe. Okay, then you have a bottom row. All right, good job. Voila. Hi, guys. It's me, Jerome. How's it going? All right, so today we're going over the letter U. This is a short U sound, which is for up. Okay, listen with your listening ears. For up. And this is coded with a little arrow. All right, here's a picture of my uncle. Does he look like me, guys? My uncle is my dad's brother. Okay, so you might have an uncle as well. All right, so there's my uncle, and he starts with this sound. Uncle. For uncle. Hooray! Hi, guys. It's time for letter art. Oh, yeah. All right, we're going over the letter U today. We've got the U family here, and that's who we are going to draw. Yeah. Okay, so get out a marker. We're going to draw up first, okay? So, we're going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. Okay, we're going to draw his face. Just like an oval, some little ears. Okay, eyes close together. A V for nose. Okay, go down a little bit. Looks like a ya. All right, we're going to make a smile off to the side over here. And it hits the side of the mouth. Then we're going to make some teeth. Okay? And then we're going to make his arms go up. Other side. Okay, little sleeves. Okay, and then we're going to go down, over, and up. All right, now make an arrow on his shirt that goes for up. Good, and give him little loops for hands. Okay, and some little short legs with feet. Kind of curving over. It looks like he's jumping up. Good. All right, move that up a little bit. Okay, start at the top, draw a tail. Nice. All right, then we're going to write the letter U, but we're going to code it for up and put a little tiny pointy up sign. For up, okay? Now we're going to draw uni. All right, go ahead and draw his head and some ears and a V for nose, same. And go down. Now he's got a big smile and some teeth. There we go. 2 dots for eyes. He's got some bangs. Okay, now he's going to have his arms going down, over, up, down, over, up, down, over, up. Good. And go ahead and give him some stripes. Okay, and write the letter U on his shirt. Good job. Okay, now give him some little feet. And then draw a unicycle. It's going to be like a circle, like that. Okay, and then maybe some spokes, like bicycle spokes. Maybe make the tire a little thicker. And then give him a squirrel tail. Okay, nice. All right, we're going to draw a U. Okay, now we're going to go on the inside. Okay, fill that in the inside. That's it. And then put some stripes on there. Good. That's U for uni. Nice. Now we're going to draw their third brother who's always doing sit-ups and exercise. Okay, so this time you're going to draw a U, a big one because we need it for this squirrel. Okay, give him a tennis shoe. Okay, and some little laces. All right, now you can see where his head is. We're going to start here, draw a head. Okay, and some little ears on top. The V for the nose, the V. Okay, and a little mouth open because he's breathing. Okay, and then eyes, maybe eyebrows, kind of like he's tired, Okay, now we're going to do a t-shirt and legs. Just kind of a loop up and down. All right, give him a little shirt line. All right, then we just need one little arm. Okay, we really don't need the other one. And then we're going to give him a tail. Okay, you can kind of see the U there, just like he's shaped. And then we can write the letter U with a little tennis shoe. And we color that orange. And that's for All right, so you did all 3 squirrel brothers. Okay, and you can color them the way they're colored. And, they're all brown, but then, up, he's got a yellow shirt. And Uni's got a blue and yellow. He's just got a white shirt. Yeah, so you can color it that way, and you can have your letters coded and your characters too. Good job. Hello there. I'm the weather girl, Ellie. Today we will have partly sunny with a chance of rain. And so if you have rain, oh dear, it's coming down. You'll need to get under an umbrella. Okay? Oh, it's raining. It's raining hard. Oh boy, everybody get under their umbrella. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay, goodbye. Okay, guys, it's time for review. We're just gonna go over the short U sound for up. All right, so here I have a nut. It's a Brazil nut. Okay, I'm gonna put that on the plate. Listen with your ears. You can hear that, and then t. Okay, so we can hear the It ends in a t. Okay, nice. And what does it start with? Here's ut. No, that's mutt. That's not nut. Okay, that's jut. Jut. No, that's not a jut. That's a nut. One more time. Oh, there you go. Nut. Good job. Okay, zoom out. Okay, remove the nut. And here's our list of words, so you can take a picture of that. Okay, goodbye, guys.